Hello guys, if you want to make this antibacterial vacuum cleaner, so watch full video. Let's start the video. This is our required components to make this project. First, take a CPU cooling fan and mark like this on a container. Make small holes through soldering iron. Making holes via soldering iron. Please take care. Also get a PVC cutout and cut their hole with soldering iron. I don't have any electric cutter, so I am using soldering iron to this hole. To fit the pipe in this. Here I am using ultraviolet rays to get antibacterial protection with UV light. Then stick the fan on the cap of the container with using of glue gun. I am connecting the all components in series combination. Connect like the showing in the video. Any doubt regarding video, comment section is always open for the doubts. Then stick the UV light on cap of the container and make a hole on cap to get out the connection wires like this. Yes, our vacuum cleaner is ready with antibacterial protection. Here's the testing. Yes, it is working perfectly as it can suck the all small bacteria, and this